So guys, we're enjoying here in this beautiful river.
बराबर है दे दो
ये स्वीट कितना है स्वीट 90 মশলা মিক্স
আচ্ছা
150 টাকা
ঠিক আছে
আর আমাদের বাসা আছে সিলেট জাফলং
সিলেট
আমরা এই জায়গায় এসে 10 বছর ধরে বিজনেস
Hey guys, very good morning. Today is 10 November 2021 and the time is around 6:11. You guys already seen my thumbnail, I guess. And we are going to Laitlum actually. Along with me, there will be 5 friends that we are going to Laitlum. After Laitlum, we have not decided yet where we might go the next destination. So please do not skip the videos and I'll be definitely updating you all. Watch the video till the end and I'll see you on the roadside. So please do not skip the video guys, watch the video till the end, and if you like the video then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to comment as well. And yeah, let's go. Right now, the entrance about is Laitlum. This is not about it.
Okay, I'm getting down.
Double tinted, yeah, for block So guys, finally we have reached to Laitlum. You guys came just in front of me. I'll definitely show you all when we'll go to closer. And now let's have our breakfast. We're literally hungry, and since from morning we did not eat anything. So right now we're heading towards the viewpoint. This is the entrance. So you guys can just see the small view right behind me. Wow. So guys, finally we came to this stall, this stall here, and I took this Maggi and boiled egg. So let's eat. So let's start our mukbang.
Okay.
In this beautiful location, Laitlum. Let's check this location.
Welcome to my water station.
Welcome to my
Mm.
Hello guys, welcome to our room.
Wow. So guys, I'm done with Maggi and right now I'm having this Punjabi Tadka. The taste of India, Punjabi Tadka. We have reached to the viewpoint. You guys can see right behind me. Just look at this, how beautiful it is. And I request to those people who are coming here, means for those tourists, do not throw any wrappers, chips packet, biscuit packets. So I kindly request them. See, just look at them, they are cleaning here. And it's really, you know, kind of this beautiful place, and if you make this place dirty, then our nature won't love us. So that's why I request all the tourist people to just maintain yourself as well. You can see over there. I don't know whether you guys can see over there. So if you're eating anything, just kindly throw it over there. Don't throw anywhere. Just check this out. Very beautiful. And just look at that.
Hey, what is this?
This is business.
My God, it's really beautiful. My shit, man. You guys can see over there. That's, I guess, village over there, and I can see one small football ground over there. Really beautiful. Oh my God, I don't know whether you guys can hear me or not. The wind is blowing very much. So we have seen the beautiful view of this beautiful Laitlum, and now our next destination is Shnongpdeng. From here to Shnongpdeng, I guess 74 kilometers. And let's see. We're literally tired, and look at them. Just look at them. They're busy clicking pictures, and we don't have much time. We're all set to leave for our next destination. Let's go. Got it.
Nari Dawki ni angko Dawki ni bisu chung tong kha. Oh my god. Yang si truck ro khai kha.
We have reached to Dawki. To go to Shnongpdeng, you need to cross Dawki. So that's why we just took a short break here in Dawki. Let's just roam and see what are the things we get here. All right. So right behind me, my friends, and right front, there's the Dawki river. I'm gonna show you closer. And here is the shop, and here also you will find another shop. It's very hot out here in Dawki. Just look at the view. That side is Bangladesh, and this is Dawki river. Here you can get the boat. If you want to do boating and all, you can get the boat over here. Per boat, I guess 700 rupees they're charging. I just got this borai. In our language we call it borai. This guy, he gave me just to try. So let me see how is the taste. Just for them, guys.
Mosla. ये दे रहा है कोई बात नहीं इमली
और एक दे दो
रंग वाला मैडम इमली देखो कोई बात नहीं इमली ज्यादा टेस्टी भैया इमली देखो
इमली ने बड़े बड़े
ओइटु लो इटु सूट मसाला मिक्स ने का 100 बिना मिक्स 90 इमली 150 इमली
बड़ा बड़ा दे दो
ये स्वीट कितना है स्वीट 90 मसाला मिक्स
टेस्टी है तो
अरे इटु देखो इटु ज्यादा टेस्टी इटु 6
मैं इमली नहीं खाता तो
अरे भैया इमली ज्यादा टेस्टी है
मजा आया भाई आपका बोरा खा के My friend, he took boroi and he just wanted to see this Bangladesh currency. This is how it looks. And this guy है दादा अपने नाम था की
मोहम्मद आमिर
मोहम्मद आमिर আপনি কি শুধু বড়ই নিয়ে বিক্রি করে
না বড়ই না তিন কোয়ালিটি আছে
আচ্ছা
স্পাইসি বড়ই
আচ্ছা
সুইট বড়ই তেতুল আছে খুব টেস্ট
আচ্ছা
তো এগুলো আমরা বাংলাদেশের এই জায়গায় এসে সবসময় বিক্রি করি
এটি হলে কত
ওটা মশলাটা 100 টাকা
আচ্ছা
বিনামিষ 90 টাকা তেতুল 150 টাকা
ঠিক আছে
আর আমাদের বাসা আছে সিলেট জাফলং আমরা এই জায়গায় এসে 10 বছর ধরে বিজনেস করি ইন্ডিয়ান টুরিস্টের লগে আমরাও খুব ভালো ব্যবহার করি টুরিস্টও আমরা লগে খুব ভালো ব্যবহার করি
ঠিক আছে ধন্যবাদ
Few inches later.
So guys, finally we have reached to Shnongpdeng after 30 minutes of ride. Just check this. Wow. So we're gonna go roam around. How do you feel coming to Shnongpdeng for the first time?
Nice, very nice.
Very fun. So guys, we have reached here from that location we came to here, and I'm gonna touch the water. Just come and see the water. It's very neat and clean. Let's check this out. Oh, wow, it's really beautiful. Very scary bridge. It's shaking like hell. So for those who like to do camping over there, you can directly come and contact me. I've got their contact number. Whenever you guys come to Shnongpdeng, you can directly contact me where to do boating and where to do camping as well. So, don't check the hair. We are checking each and every tent. Who are there inside? Let's see. Check over there, right? Check this tent.
Wake up. Abang, ball food kan terus camping ni bagi. Out, kothok. Oi, toko. Oi, chalo.
So guys, we're enjoying here in this beautiful river. Ah, you're so doing here.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So guys, this water, how beautiful it is! Wow! Wow!
So guys, we just took bath here in this beautiful river Shnongpdeng, and I'm gonna have this boroi since I'm very hungry. So let's start. This boroi we got it from Dawki, river. One Bangladeshi guy is selling this boroi. So my friend, he got it by 100 rupees. Very tasty. Alright guys, for today's video, we took shower here in this beautiful river. All of our friends, everyone took bath here, and time to go to our place, to Shillong. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys like my video. We went to Laitlum, we went to Dawki, and the last location, that is Shnongpdeng. So we'll be going back to our place right now. That's it guys for today's video. If you guys like my video, then whom are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.